Why is my debit card declined on Appstore? Hey guys, in this video, I am going to show you how to fix your payment method being declined on the App Store. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. So the first thing that you want to do is open up the Settings app on your device. Over here, tap on your Apple ID profile at the very top. After that, go to the Payment and Shipping option and tap on it. Then it's going to ask you to verify with Face ID or another authentication method. Once you've done that, you'll be able to see all the payment methods linked to your Apple ID. Now, go ahead and remove any outdated or incorrect payment methods. Then, add a new credit card, debit card, or PayPal account by following the prompts on the screen. Once the new payment method is set up, this should resolve the issue. So that's how you can fix your payment method being declined on the App Store. That's all for this video.